Hello everyone, now I will show you how to activate Monster Energy collaboration with Apex Legends code. We have Monster Energy, I already drank it. Here collaboration, and we need get code under this thing. There will be code, and then we need go to the PC. Now we at the PC. We need go to the Apex Legends monsterenergy.com, and we need to do account. I have already, I just log in. Now we need type here code that you get on the can. I'm not bot, submit code. Then you go here, my code is. You click here and get the code for this Pathfinder skin. Then we need go to the Apex Legends. I already have the skin. We need go to the shop here, and here we need to activate this code. And we have this skin now. Please smash like button and subscribe. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.